Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to the channel, Sophia Sew and Pray. Hi, friends. It's that time of the year that we make all kinds of craft, we crafters, seamstress. So I decided that I have to fix, because I made this and it's about time for it to get a little touch up. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some of these gems, clear gems. They're just $1.25. And this is $1.25. Some gun glue. Oops, so you know how that goes. And these are more for another one that I'm going to show. But this one here, I've already finished. These right here, I got the gems. These gems are the flat ones. And these one are like they do have a little flat in them, but they're more kind of like, I don't know how to say that word, like a boat shape type of thing. But these right here are round and then they're flat on one side. So you glue these on. Okay, the vase, let's make this right. The vase is also $1.25 in the dollar store. These Christmas lights are about $4 or $5 at Walmart. I got them at Walmart last year after Christmas sales, so I don't remember how much, but it was like pennies. So I have a whole bunch of them. I make sure I stack up. And these also are $1. And so what I did was already put the glue these gems on here, and then I put the light, one box of light in here. I changed it up, you know, that this little one that has the little red tip on it will let it, half of it, or if you want both, you put them on both sides of the light. It'll make it flash. So one side of the light is flashing and one side is not, and I'll show you that later. Some of my gems have fallen off, which I will redo later, but this one, I'll show you when all is done. I'll show you how they look, and they're really, you know, they're highlighted for any occasion. It doesn't have to be Christmas only. So what we are going to do at this time is open up one of the gems, and let me show you how these gems look. See these? Okay, see? But if you want to use these ones on the outside, you can. You would just have to look for the flat side and put the glue on and then glue it on to the glass like this. And let me tell you, this vase also, I got it like for $2.99. I don't remember where, but it was not in the Dollar Tree. And so what I did with this, and this was last year before I got into the YouTube, this I bought some glass, but then I found out that I could use any mirror that already got broken and just slam it up. I did that in another area, but this, I bought this bag of glass and then I Mod Podge it. So it's kind of time to put a little bit, another layer of Mod Podge on it, because some of them are falling as you know, you see. That's it. So that's what I did. And then I got these diamonds, gems at Amazon, a sheet. I believe I got 2 sheets for about $11, and they already have glue on them, so they stick pretty well. So that's what I did with that. So let's put the gems that we want in here really carefully, because you know they're stones and they can break. So you want to be very careful. I didn't get a whole lot, so I may get some more later and throw it in, but just for the for this video's sake, because when I saw that this was bigger, I thought, oh my goodness, it's not going to be enough, because I really wanted it really feel to here like this one. It's not filled, but I'm going to fill one with this one, marbles, to put this one outside. you know that you don't really have to use the electric lighting. You can also use any tea lights, like these right here. You could put these in there and it'll, where do you turn this on? Oh, I'm not showing you anything. Okay, these are tea lights, and you could buy these and put them in there, and it'll really look really cute. But because it's the occasion, I want to put some Christmas light in there, and that's going to be close to an electric outlet, so I don't mind the electric. Okay, so you could use these also, which I have used these. I do those for outside. So this one is going to be for my project that is going to be outside. Okay, so now that we've done that, this is not, I don't even know why I got, oh yeah, I got this because I need to fix this. But this is pretty much um an easy work to do. And I forgot to bring the lights, so I'm going to bring a pack of lights and show you how I already put it in there. So these are the packs that I'm going to put in. I'm going to put in clear mini lights, whereby this one, let's see, this one right here, I put colored lights in it, but this one I want to keep it silverish and whitish. So we're going to go ahead and open. We keep this. See, these, I know we all know this, but just for remembering, this little tip, red tip right here, it will make your light blink. So you pull out one of the regular ones and you pull this one in and make it like a blink. So I'm going to use only one for it to blink. And this end right here, I try to keep both ends outside. So I'm going to put it in here like so. Hoping you can see. Yes, you can. And I try to keep the light out. I do put it in, but I kind of like it on the top where I can see it and manage it easier. So we're going to put this also in here. See how all my glass is falling out. I am going to and what I'm going to do a little is to shake some of the thing in between. You know, it's still going to stay down there, but just a little. So now I'm going to show you how it should look. But I put this inside, then I put like a little something in there, either a flower, fake flowers in there to highlight it. Simple. That's all you got to do. Simple. And it looks great. But I will be putting some Mod Podge and putting these back on. And I will be gluing this because it fell off. These are glass also that you buy, that I bought like a pack of sheets of 5, and you can cut them, and they are real mirrors, as you can see. See, they're real mirrors. So I'm going to show you how I put this with the Mod Podge. So I get a little brush and brush the Mod Podge on it. Yeah. It doesn't matter when it dries, it's going to dry clear. You won't even see it. And then you just kind of throw it on. What I did to put this all on there, I had bathed the whole, can you see that? Oh. I bathed the whole vase with it, or vase. Who says it like that? with Mod Podge, and then I sprinkled it, showered it, and then I just pat it, and continue to do it until, you know, every hour that it dries. And so that's how I got it on there. It's very easy. But if you don't get it a lot, it can be very messy. Well, when I say messy, you see how it just falls off like that. Not all of it, it's just the loose ones on the top. So that's why after it's all dried on, you have to bait it again with more Mod Podge, like around. And that's what I need to do right now because it's been a year now, so I think it needs some Mod Podge shower. I want to say shower. So that's all I do is pat the Mod Podge on it like so. And it'll dry. But I'll be doing that. But I want to show you how it's going to look with the light in there. And I want to show you this, the other one also. And this is what they're supposed to look like. This one, I have to put the little, change the little light so it'll blink like this one. See, at the first, the other one was not blinking, so I guess it got warmer now, so all of it is blinking gradually, but that's fine. So that's how it's supposed to look. So, what do you think? Isn't that easy and beautiful for the holidays? So I could put like a clear light in here and all of these would be clear, right? But these are looking like the lights that are in there. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next Christmas holidays makes. I'll be sewing also. Here goes my DIY.